Hello everyone, Justin here from the Hillsboro City Library, and today we're building a Mars helicopter craft from NASA. For this project, you'll need a pair of scissors, your helicopter template, toothpicks, small marshmallows, and one large marshmallow. To start putting it all together, get your scissors and cut out your helicopter parts. You'll have two blades, and those little black squares are solar panels. So the Mars helicopter we're creating today is based on a real helicopter that's on Mars right now called Ingenuity. And according to NASA, Ingenuity is fairly small as it's only about 19 inches tall and weighs only 4 pounds. Once your helicopter blades are all cut out, grab a toothpick and push it through the middle part of the blade. It can be kind of difficult, so you may have to get a grown-up to help you. Once you get one blade on your toothpick, grab the other one and put it on as well. Once they're both on, give it a spin and see how it looks. And next, we'll have to get our solar panels and we'll put those right on the top of our blades. Once that's done, that'll go into the top of the large marshmallow, which makes up the body or the fuselage of the Ingenuity helicopter. Next, we'll get 4 toothpicks and 4 of our small marshmallows and put them on the end of each toothpick. These represent the legs of Ingenuity. Once you have your legs assembled, put your extra marshmallows aside, and then put your legs into the fuselage of Ingenuity. Try to space them out evenly to make sure that your helicopter stands up when you're done. And there you have it, your Mars Ingenuity helicopter. To learn more about Ingenuity and things going on at NASA, be sure to check out the links in the description below. You'll also find links to where we found our craft on the NASA website. And if you haven't done it already, be sure to register for our summer reading program at hillsborotx.beanstack.org or download the Beanstack app to your smartphone and search for the Hillsboro City Library.